The next tool that we'll be talking about is the eyedropper tool. Yes, the eyedropper tool. So for you to be simple, for you just say the color picker tool, eyedropper or color picker. Yes, and it will do. So let's say my brush tool or pencil or pen tool. So my brush tool is being filled with green already. So let's say green here. I don't know. It's not coming. Okay, I have to deselect it first. Alright, so it's being filled with a green color, and I want to pick a color from the working background for my work. I have to go for the eyedropper tool and pick this black color here. So you've seen that color space has been filled with black. It has changed from the lemon green to black. So now when we take our brush to the color that will come here will be black. Yes. So let's say I want to pick a color from an object that I've imported here. So let me import something. Let me place another something here to showcase what the eyedropper tool does. So I've imported this object here. Yeah, so let's say I want to pick a color from here for any other works on this piece. I'll go for the eyedropper tool and pick the color that I want. You see that our color filler has changed. The fill here has changed. And if you want to change the pen color to the green beneath it, you have to press X. You see that's interchanged. Yes, that's interchanged. So we are still talking about the eyedropper tool. So you can pick any color from anywhere and use it here. So let's pick this green to demonstrate more. Okay. Yes, so that's the function of the eyedropper tool. Okay. So we are done with the eyedropper tool. So some of the tools are for photography editing. As I said earlier, we are talking about the tools needed for graphic designing. Yeah, so let's talk about the brush tool. So this is the brush tool. You have the brush tool, you have the pencil tool, and it helps a lot. It does a lot for you. Yeah. So what the brush tool does is that I think I've demonstrated some already to us. It helps you in painting. So let's say I don't want to use the solid color layer to fill my background. I can go for the brush tool and fill my space. Yes, I can go for the brush tool and fill my space. But there are shortcuts for doing things here in Photoshop. If you choose to go the long way, it depends on you and your time. Yes, so this is the function of the brush tool, and we have the pencil tool, but we don't usually use the pencil tool a lot unless for strokes, like stroking and other stuff. But for the stroking tool, you can use the brush tool for it, so we don't use that one a lot. So let's go to the stamp, the clone stamp tool. Clone stamp. So with the clone stamp, let me do something here for me. Okay, so you've seen that we have different colors here. So with the clone stamp, it defines it explains itself. It's a clone. So cloning something means making a duplicate of something or making a copy, the same copy of something. Yeah, so let's say I want to copy the greens that I have here. All I have to do is hold the Alt and use the right mouse button to pick something from here and paste it here. You've seen that it has pasted exactly as here onto this place. Yeah, so that's the function of the clone tool. The clone tool. So it's mostly used in when you want to clean a background, or when you want to match a specific the design, or when you want to fill a specific space with the same copy of an object. That's when you use the clone stamp tool. But in the time to come, I will be doing an in-depth explanation of each of the two. I will pick them one by one and do a video on them for those who want to learn. So now the eraser tool. So let's say I want to clean what I've done here. I want to clean the mess that I've done here. Is to pick my eraser tool. Yes, so we all know what's the function, or we all know what erasers does. So I've cleaned the mess that I've done here. So one thing that I think I did left out was how to increase the pressures, or the hardness and the sizes of our brush. Is located here. I think when I pick each one by one, I'll explain into details for you to see. So now we are using our eraser tool. Yeah, yes. So we've cleaned the mess that we made here, and with the eraser tool, yes, when you want to get a full function of the eraser, like make it flow, we'll have to increase the flow here so that it can work well. Yeah. So that's the function of the eraser tool. And the gradient, should I talk about the gradient too? Because I've talked about the gradient in one of my earlier videos. So let me leave the gradient out. Now the type 2. The type 2, I think I did talk about it in my first video. So the type 2 just help you in typing, fonts, typography, designs, and all of that. And we have shapes 2 here. We have the rectangular 2 here. Yeah, you see it already drew something here. Okay, that's the rectangular 2. We have the eclipse 2, same as the circle. So I'll be showing you tricks about all these shapes and how to draw them very well. But I think we are done with the panel here. Yes, so I've shown you the needed tools for graphic designing, which are located here. And yes, there is the color, fill space. Yeah, is the space. So in our next video, we'll be talking about layers. Yes, layers. How to work with layers in Photoshop. Without understanding the layers here, you cannot use Photoshop, or you cannot be a graphic designer. So in our next video, I'll be talking about layers. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.